we're going to learn shapes. And his shapes, all of the shapes, circle. Circles all around. They don't have corners, anything like. It's all round. Then the square. It has 4 corners. But the circle don't have corners. This is corners. The 4 corners, they're all same size. All the sides are same size. This is a rectangle. This has 4 corners like a square. But this triangle is a bit tricky than the square. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. But these are same size, these two, but these sides are same. They're not all the same like the square. This triangle has corners and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we know all the shapes. Now they're friends of us. This circle. Okay, my face is like this face circle. Oh, here's the square. It's good decoration. This looks me pretty. This looks fun. Oh, these shapes look scary. Don't deep go here. Scary. So scary. Oh, a sad face. Sad. The triangle, why are you sad? Sad. We know that all about shapes today. And see you next time, everyone.